Like most people, I'm pretty sure you're tired of being on the wrong side of success. Are you tired of working hard, spending less time with your family, and at the end of the day not having anything to show for it? Does this sound like the American dream? Bad credit can cause you to live in a cash-only world and limit your opportunities. Think about the last time you went to purchase a car and you were faced with a high down payment and a monstrous interest rate. Or when you went to get that new apartment and they just flat out turned you down because of your bad credit. Let's not forget your dream of being a homeowner. But with bad credit, your dream can quickly turn into a nightmare. Like most people, you can't see a way out of this vicious cycle. Until now, we can handle any type of credit issue: collections, medical bills, repossessions, and even bankruptcy. We specialize in tackling your toughest financial needs. Stop waiting. The sooner you start, the faster you can realize the American dream.